Succeed and profit with Google AdWords Google Ads course. Win business with Google's search network PPC advertising. Learn this type of online marketing. Faster results than SEO.
Imagine a world of Google ad efficiency. Imagine a world where we could create a campaign with 30 relevant ads and 30 ad groups, ad extensions, and negative keywords. Imagine a world where we could create 81,000 relevant keywords, all created, uploaded into Google within only 2 to 3 hours. With such an approach, you could gain an immense advantage over your competitors. Such approach gives a method to improve relevance, which is as important as bids in Google Ads. At times, this approach will allow you to reduce costs per click, win more business, increase profitability, and stretch your ad budget further. It will also allow you to improve your Google Ads business if you are undertaking such a business. Such approach is a possible method to take on Goliath with your new skills. The objectives of the course are to create winning campaigns by using relevant ad groups, ads, and keywords rapidly and efficiently. Benefits of the course include it provides a structured approach to undertaking Google Ads. We are able to cut out tedious work, taking out the drudgery of Google Ads. This course will allow you to spend more time on keywords and ad copy. It will automate mundane tasks relating to keyword generation and ad creation in order to try improve relevance. You will also learn about a powerful Google Ads automation tool known as Google AdWords Editor. This will allow you to automate many of the tasks taught in this course and other tasks. You'll be able to improve your keyword variation and keyword possibility.
Who is this course designed for? This course is designed for the following: the basic advertiser who wants to rapidly propel themselves forward, e.g., the businessman who wants a reasonable campaign. It is designed for anyone who wants to generally win with Google Ads. It is designed for an advanced user who wants to benefit from keyword power and the AdWords editor. It is designed for the Google Ads Manager who needs the tools to generate and propel their customers' campaigns rapidly. This course is designed for a beginner, but in the case of a beginner and indeed all of the users listed above, it is recommended that you also consult and study the YouTube videos by Google Ads, and I provided you with the link, and the Google Academy for Ads material. And the advantage of the Academy for Ads material is that once you have undertaken the various modules, you can even become Google Ads certified if you pass those specific modules.
This course is practical. It creates an overall structure for relevant keywords creation, including negative keywords, and creating relevant ads, including ad extensions. I then show you how to monitor and improve results. This course provides the knowledge and Excel tools to achieve all of this. Welcome to my course.